Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A34 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can insert SIM cards and SD card in your phone Samsung Galaxy A34. First of all, go to the top of your phone. Here you will find a hole. Okay, this is the hole. See here. This is the hole. In this hole, you have to insert SIM ejector tool. Bring SIM ejector tool and insert here. Okay, I bring SIM ejector tool. This is the SIM ejector tool and insert this tool into this hole and push down into the hole. The SIM tray will be coming out from your phone and you go to take out of SIM tray from your phone. This is the SIM tray. Just take it out. And yes, this is SIM slots. Okay, keep your phone aside. Here you are seeing two slots. Okay, in the first slot you can put one nano SIM. In the second slot you can put either one nano SIM or one micro SD card. You cannot insert two SIM cards and one SD card. You can either insert two SIM cards or either you can or otherwise you can insert one SIM card and one SD card. Okay, so this is called a hybrid SIM slot. Okay, the second slot is hybrid. First one is dedicated SIM slot. Second one is hybrid for both SIM card and SD card. Okay, in the hybrid slot you can either insert one SIM card or one SD card at a time. Okay, now I bring one SIM card. And I insert in the first slot. Okay, in the second slot, if I would like to insert SIM card, then yes, I can insert here. Okay, I will show you how it should be inserted. So in the second slot, you go to insert in this position. Okay, if you are inserting SIM card, insert in this position. Okay, now two SIM cards are inserted and you cannot insert SD card hereafter. Okay, if you want to have only SD card in the second slot, remove the SIM card and insert SD card here. Insert SD card. This is SD card. Insert it in. Insert this SD card in this position. Okay. Okay. Then bring your phone and insert the tray into your phone. Bring your phone and insert the tray here in this position. Now check for SIM card and SD card. Check whether SIM card and SD card are properly mounted or not. Just wait few seconds and SIM will be detected. Yes, SIM 1 is detected. In the second slot there is no SIM card because in the second slot SD card is inserted now. Okay, click on done. Yes, SIM card is working very well. And for SD card presence, go to my files. Go to the home page and go to Samsung here and click on my files. Give all permissions. Here you can see that SD card. Okay, see here, this is SD card, but it's showing that not inserted because so it's not properly inserted. So you got to remove it and again check the position. Okay, yes, there is something wrong. Now we will check. Go to my files and yes, SD card is inserted properly. So even after inserting SIM card or SD card, you have to check whether it works or not. Okay. In my first attempt, it does not show. Now it's showing that. Okay. So you can here access all folders and files of SD card. So SIM card and SD card are mounted properly in my phone. So in this way, you can easily insert SIM cards and SD card in your phone. Samsung Galaxy A34. That's all, friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.